How to fix QuickBooks Error 6077. 5 quick solutions. Solution 1. Run QuickBooks File Doctor. Step 1. First, download and install QuickBooks Tool Hub from if you don't already have it. Step 2. When the installation is complete, double-click on the icon on your desktop to open the Tool Hub. Step 3. From the Tool Hub, select Company File Issues. Step 4. Next, click on Run QuickBooks File Doctor. Step 5. Choose your company from the drop-down menu or browse to search for the file. Step 6. Now, select Check Your File and then Continue. Step 7. Enter the QuickBooks admin password and click Continue. Solution 2. Rename the .nd and .tlg files. Step 1. First, open the folder where the company file is stored. Step 2. Find the files with the same name as your company files but with .nd and .tlg files. company_file.qbw.nd, company_file.qbw.tlg. Step 3. Right-click on each file and select Rename, then add old at the end of each file. company_file.qbw.nd.old, company_file.qbw.tlg.old. Solution 3. Use a UNC path instead of a map drive. Step 1. Right-click the QuickBooks icon on your desktop. Step 2. Then press and hold the Control key on your keyboard and select Run as administrator. Step 3. Hold down the Control key until you have the No Company Open window. Step 4. From the File menu, select Open or Restore Company. Step 5. Next, select Open a Company File and then Next. Step 6. From the left window panel, choose Network. Step 7. Now, navigate to your company file location, choose your company file and click Open. Solution 4. Configure firewall and security software. Step 1. Click on the Windows Start menu, type in Windows Firewall and open it. Step 2. Select Advanced Settings. Step 3. In the next window, right-click on Inbound Rules and select New Rule. Step 4. Next, in the Protocol and Ports tab, select TCP. Step 5. In the specific local ports, enter the ports required for your QuickBooks version and select Next. Step 6. Now, select Allow the connection and then Next. Step 7. When prompted, make sure all profiles are marked and then click Next. Step 8. Create a rule and name it like QBports year, and when you're done, click on Finish. Solution 5. Recreate the damaged folder. Step 1. Create a new folder on your C drive. Step 2. Now, open the folder where the company file is saved. Step 3. Locate the .qbw file, right-click on it and select Copy. Step 4. Open the new folder and paste the file there. Step 5. Now, set Windows Access Permission to share company files. To do this, click on the Windows Start button. Step 6. Open File Explorer. Right-click the folder containing your company file and select Properties. Step 7. Next, select Sharing and then Share. Step 8. Select the corresponding QB Data Service User XX for your version. Step 9. Set the permission level of both users to full control and select Share. Step 10. Now, open QuickBooks and open the file from the new location. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +18774690298 or +44800 0548 150.